Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
A 401k is a fantastic way to save for your future directly through your job. It's essentially a special retirement savings plan offered by many employers. What's great is that your contributions come straight from your paycheck, often before taxes are even calculated, which can lower your current taxable income. Plus, the money you invest grows over time without being taxed until you retire, offering a significant advantage for your long-term wealth. Contributing to your 401k is incredibly simple, as deductions are set up directly through your payroll. This means money goes into your account automatically, usually before income taxes are applied, helping you save consistently. The absolute best part for many people is the employer match. This is essentially free money your company adds to your account just for contributing, so be sure to contribute at least enough to get that full match. Once your money is in your 401k, you'll choose how it's invested. Typically, you pick from a range of mutual funds or ETFs offered by your plan. Diversifying your investments is key. It means spreading your money across different assets to manage risk. If you're unsure, target date funds are a popular choice. They automatically adjust their risk level as you get closer to your retirement goal. One of the biggest benefits is that your money grows tax-deferred, meaning you don't pay taxes on the investment gains until you withdraw the money in retirement. This allows for powerful compounding, where your earnings start earning their own returns, greatly accelerating your savings. Just remember, these funds are for retirement, so withdrawing before age 59 and a half usually comes with a penalty, encouraging you to keep your money saved for the long term. So if your employer offers a 401k, don't hesitate to enroll as early as possible. Time truly is your greatest asset for investment growth. Be sure to contribute at least enough to capture your full employer match. It's genuinely free money for your retirement. And finally, make it a habit to review your investment choices and contribution amounts each year, ensuring your plan stays on track for your financial future.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.